Right, what's up guys? Today I won on Nasdaq. I could have kept holding, I didn't. But yeah, I'm gonna just quickly explain how I won this trade. I did this during class while teacher was talking, like under the desk. Yes, this was a demo trade though. I'll be completely transparent. It was a demo trade because I was in class and I didn't want to risk losing money. But this is what it comes down to, how I got that trade. I saw that today, or previous day actually, a fair value gap was inversed on daily, right? That shows me strong bullish confluence because for a fair value gap to be inversed, most likely we're going to keep going up. For example, right here, tomorrow, I'm expecting, if there's reasoning, that we're going to start going down again, right? Because of this fair value gap. If it got inversed, I think we're going to be going to not all time highs, what am I talking about? But I think we're going to just keep shooting up. Actually, is that all time highs? Yeah, that is. If tomorrow's fair value gap gets inversed, I'm assuming we might shoot up to all-time highs because it's very strong. So I come down and I scale down to the 4 hour, and I see a low get swept right here. I see this low get swept, and a bunch of liquidity was being swept actually. So this got swept too. 1 hour liquidity got swept here too. So this kind of strengthens the bias that we're going to be longing because it's been generating liquidity and then it's swept in one go. It was a strong sweep too, so I'm like, oh okay, it might continue to go up. So there is also an SMT with with Nasdaq right here. What the heck? You see? There is an SMT. So that strengthens again the bias, right? That we would be that would keep going up. There's a bullish SMT. So then we scale down into the 5 minutes. It's kind of like you're just zooming in and in and in on Google Maps. We scale down in 5 minutes. We notice that this fair value gap right here was inverse too. That's already saying a lot. So we swept liquidity, a lot of liquidity, formed a 1 hour SMT, and then filled out a fair value gap on 15 minutes. That's saying most likely we're going to be starting to push up now, strengthening the bias. Because usually what happens is if it's not going to sweep, it retraces back to fair value gap and it respects it. But what we see is that it inversed it. That strengthens the bias. So then I waited for a change in state of delivery. Yes, this could count as a change in state of delivery. It is. It's a change in state of delivery. But I wanted to wait for price to come up here because I like it when it's after a liquidity sweep. Fair value gap inverse. So boom, price comes up to here. What do we see? We see it come up with a fair value gap formed. Look, it forms a fair value gap. Then it retraces back into that 5 minute fair value gap and blasts off. I seen this candle kind of close off like this, so I started thinking, okay, it's probably gonna come back into here. So I traded off that. I kind of waited for a bit of a move up before I traded though, just for my own ease of mind. And I think I placed my stop loss. I think it was right here actually. Yeah, cause I wanted to give this fair value gap some time. Cause sometimes it just wicks down and it keeps going up. So now where did I place my TPs? If I hop onto the 50 minutes, we could see that a take profit could be here on that high. Also, we can use the Fibonacci sequence on 5 minutes to find where our TP should be. From here to here. Yeah, do you see that? So usually I target -2 or -2.5, but I need reasoning. So hop onto the 1 hour time frame. I see a high right here. That was one of my TPs. And then that was my final TP. So people ask, why don't I put my take profit at the highs right there? Because I've gotten edged one too many times, right? I don't even need a girlfriend anymore. The markets have been fucking me so crazy. So I would place my TP at this wick and then it would just one pip away from it and then retrace. And I usually do the set and forget, right? So one pip away, retrace. I got fucked in my ass, okay? Like, oh my gosh, bro. Screw this stuff. Yeah, I might quit. Nothing. But it's very annoying. So I placed down this right here. Uh, these are my different TPs. As you can see, it was a success. Now, what the heck is... I swear this is a different RR. I think it is. Yeah, but that's too high. I think... Actually, that might be what I had in the beginning. I kind of forgot where I put my stop loss. I can't my chat. But yeah, boom. That was the win. That was my mindset going into it. If you guys want, join my free Discord right here. We literally talk about trading. We give out call outs. We like help each other out. We like talk about different. It's and plus it's free. Okay, it's just all free. As you can see, we even have like see nice profits coming in. We have memes. Let's actually look at a meme together. As you can see, they're very funny. That's cooked. It's actually cooked. But anyways, subscribe, follow the socials down somewhere here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.